Hello guys, today I want to show you how I mix my colors. And first, to be clear, white and black. Yes, I mix my colors with white and black because how you will get to pink? How? You can have red and dilute it very much, but nevertheless this is not pink, this is light red. But if you add red and white in it will become very nice pink. So that is that. Now when we clear up this, I want to tell you something else. Second thing, you need to note what you're doing, because I make mistake. I mix this gorgeous teal blue, and I didn't look how pretty this color is, but I don't know what did I was thinking I will remember, but of course I didn't. And I adding colors and adding and add here where the dark blue is. So now I don't have dark blue, I have only this teal color. It is very beautiful, I really love it, but I mean, now I don't have my dark blue. But now what should we do? So in the red, so we will add more red here. This is dark, gorgeous red. Then we clean our brush, and now we adding a little bit of yellow. More than a little. When we're mixing, we need to clean our brush all the time. So we get this gorgeous peachy color, and this color can be used even for skin tones, whatever you like. So this one, then with this red we can put it here a little bit. Then we need to clean our brush and dab into yellow. Again clean our brush, again dab in yellow, and now we have orange. So with this warm red and yellow we get orange color, but with this cold red and this yellow we get our like a creamy skin color. So this is our red. So we have blue, light blue. We will add light blue here. And we will mix our green with this yellow and light blue. So it is depend how much yellow we adding, we getting different greens. If we add just a little, we will get this green. I really like to mix my greens. Now we are adding more of this yellow, and we will get a little bit more of water. And we will get, I call this happy green, light green, for the leaves when the sun shine on the trees. You get this green. It's very beautiful. I love it. But in my mixing, I like to add dark green like this. And then I want to add black. And we get this gorgeous green, super dark. So here it is. Then if you like a little bit lighter, then we need to add more of this green. And we also get this green. See how fantastic this mixing is. Also, I will add more of this lighter green here, and then I will show you when I add brown, dark brown here. You get this beautiful mossy green mixing with the brown, and I think it's gorgeous. Look at this. It's very beautiful. We can add more of this brown, darker brown, and we will get a little bit even mossier green. I love it. I love this color so much. Then in this dark green, we can add more of this dark green and a little bit more water to dilute it. I very much like to add blue because you get something like super bluish green. And here it is. Look how beautiful this is. I really love it. So that is what I'm mixing, what I like, but maybe you don't. Then this creamy color also we can add in this green, in this dark green, and we get also one, but different shades of this moss green. See it? It is gorgeous. Then with red and blue. So red, light red here, maybe like this, and a bit water. Cleaning our brush, then adding a bit water, and with this light blue we're mixing, and we will get one gorgeous violet. So again, cleaning my brush, so 2 times red, 2 times light blue, and we will get gorgeous violet color. Here you go. If you want a little bit diluted, you can add more water, and here it is. Then you can add, in the same mix, you can add darker blue, and it is this one, very cool. like indigo. Then we adding in dark red, and we get totally different shades of violet, like this. Some like gray violet. Then we adding more of this dark red, and we get almost like magenta. And if we add white, we will get this dusty violet, pink, I don't know. So this color, I really love to mix my greens by myself, and I really like to mix with these violets and these mossy greens, and I really love it to add this blue in the green. So we have so much different things to do with the colors, and they're gorgeous. This is my course, this is my mixing tutorial. I don't know, you mix like this. Please, if you're an artist, tell me what you like the most. My favorite is to add blue in green. That is something I really like to do. And to add this creamy with the greens, so like this. You can also mix direct on the paper. It is nothing special, just you need to have paper which is for watercolors, and you can do whatever you like. Then black. So here is my red. I will add it here, dark red. Cleaning our brush, adding bit of, not bit, dabbing brush into the black, and we have super dark red, almost purple. Look how similar it is. Now the light red. So I'm calling this dark and black and dark and light because these colors doesn't have a name. They are super cheap colors, and that's why I call them like this, because I use them very much for mixing, for teaching myself how to mix. So now we can add a little bit of brown in this light red, dark brown, and we get this gorgeous brown or red, whatever you like. So then directly on the paper we can add this blue and this creamy color, and we get something like this. More blue, we get something like almost like grayish green with this. So for mixing greens, colors are everything. You can do it whatever you like with them. So that is that, a little tutorial to how I mix my colors, and I hope you like it. I hope you learned something. I hope you will comment if you want to learn me something, because I think we're never too smart or too old for learning. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.